In this video, I'm going to create this nail art in less than 5 minutes. So welcome to Nails for Sanam. If you're new, please subscribe. So I'm going to use this nail polish by Essie. It's called To Die For and it's a brilliant orange shade. And then I'm going to take this Love Rock by Sally Hansen and I'm going to draw a line in the center just like this. So this is our base for the nail art. Now I'm going to take this Maniology M477 Lacy French and I'm going to choose this design right here. And if you like to purchase this, I have a discount code on the screen. So I'm going to apply the nail polish and scrape it and then stamp it. And look how beautiful the design came out. Now I'm just going to apply the golden nail polish between the lines and you want to apply with the gentle hands just like this. Let it dry and then we are going to stamp it on my nail. Now before stamping it, I applied the sticky nail polish already. So just like this, and wow, look at that. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please check out the description box for all the details and I'll see you guys next time with another simple video. Till then, bye bye.